What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, we have a very special unboxing. I am super excited to have one of the hottest hair growth serums out here on the market. Yes, you guys, this is the packaging for the Hollywoodhairbar growth oil. So let's jump right into this unboxing, okay? The package just arrived and I'm so excited. They got it sealed pretty good. So let's see. So here it is. All right, you guys. So first and foremost, whatever is in here that's gonna help your hair grow, I smell it. Okay, it's strong and I'm excited. Let's see. So they're bubble wrapped. This is the size. Yes, yes. Get into it. Get into it. So, this is the Hollywoodhairbar Growth Serum, and I'm not gonna lie, when I first looked at the size for the price, I was a little skeptical, but you know what? Hey, I'm trying to get these inches, so let's just go ahead and get them. So I did order one, and then right before I checked out, they offered me a special 2 for like a lower price if I would have just bought one and then bought one on a different day. So I think I got both of these for like right at about $40. So still definitely pricey for an oil, but from what I'm seeing from my research, this stuff really works. So hey, we're gonna give it a try. So pretty much there are some ingredients in here that I can name off a few. The first ingredient is coconut oil. Thereafter is hemp seed oil. I've got some carrot oil in here, some almond, castor oil, and tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is one of the things that made me want to go ahead and purchase it, because I already know tea tree oil is definitely going to help get my hair growing. There's peppermint oil as well. So if you guys remember, like a few videos back, I reviewed a deep conditioner by a black owned company called Ultra Black Hair. And the deep conditioner had peppermint oil in it, which gave me the tingling sensation, and so that is another reason why I know that this is going to work to help stimulate my scalp for hair growth. So yeah guys, so this is definitely good. It's got black tea in it, so needless to say, I'm excited. I've heard people get results in as little as 1 week, so you already know I'm definitely going to be using this, and I'm going to be bringing you guys some updates, maybe a week 1, week 2 review. I'll also be doing some comparisons in comparison to this oil with some other growth oils that I'm trying out. So yeah guys, I'm super excited. I will leave the information to purchase this in my description, you guys. Definitely get into it. If you guys have not tried this oil, definitely something that you want to try to grow your hair. It's a growth serum, so I'm very excited to have this. They go pretty fast. I think one bottle is supposed to last like 3 weeks, and so the fact that I have 2, I hopefully can stretch it for like at least 2 months, because ain't nobody trying to spend them coins that frequently. But yeah, if it works, it works. I'm here for it. So yeah guys, so thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I'm very happy. If you have this product and you already used it, let us know in the comments. Does it really work? Like, we want to know, is it worth our coin? Like, should we buy it? Like, what's up? Let us know. I already got it, but I definitely want to be able to create a conversation around this oil in the comment section. So again, thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and for all of my natural hair queens who are here, tell me what you think about this twist out, you guys. Yes, I got this with the Mayel products that I have already reviewed. My hair is growing very well. Look at this. Yes, you guys. So I'm excited. Thank you for joining me on this hair growth journey, on my YouTube journey. Super excited to have 2K subscribers. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. And until next time, you guys, I am Tiarrea B, and I am out. Bye.